Well, stranded. I drove the car a mile to go get gas because it was out. Get some fresh premium in there. I think either the drive shaft is broken or the diff is broken. I'm not sure yet. So, yeah, I'm going to figure that out, see what's going on with it, and then hopefully we can get this back home. It was doing so good. Got everything on the road. First time driving it. And it broke down. Here. Let me see if you can hear it when I push it. So, pretty sure the rear diff is broke, or the axles or something. So, I am stuck. I'm gonna go get a truck to pull me home, and we will go from there. On a good note, the top and everything works. The windows work. It goes down like it's supposed to. And it's getting better almost till now, till it broke more. Well, I'm getting towed home. You can probably hear the noise. I think it's rear end or something. Sucky. Yep. Not how I wanted to spend my day. I aired up the tires. I only got fuel in it so it can be fresh. At least the top works. So that's great. Rocking that convertible live. So yeah, we're a quarter mile away from the house. We'll get her pulled in here and figure out what's wrong with it later. Alright guys, here's the garage. The outside is pretty much done. I'll put a picture here. And I got a lean-to, decks are going on, I got windows showing up. This has been a really busy week of preparation of stuff to come. More plumbing, more AC work, front porch, and build out of that. The garage is finally framed in for 9-foot, 9x8 doors. And what else? A lot of stuff's been going on. It's been raining the last couple days again. This has been like the wettest year ever. So sorry for the lack of upload. Here is what happened. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw I put a picture of the old S2000s giving me problems. This video kind of shows what happened, and I haven't even got it over here yet because it's been so muddy at the construction site to get the car up here, because I have to push it, pull it, do something, get it up here so I can jack it up, check out the rear axles, the rear end, and all that stuff, see what happened and see what really blew up or didn't blow up. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, thanks for tuning in to this episode. there's definitely more to come. I'm trying to get these things progression done with the house so we can work more on vehicles and cars and fix stuff and do stuff, and we'll see how that goes. So make sure you like and subscribe, follow along. There's more to come. Garage is getting there, windows, the house is getting there. A lot of progress there. So thanks for tuning in. Until next time.